Behind me here is an X-CALIBR light gauge 18 metre clear span, 650 square metre shed put up in one day. So everything's roll formed in a Howick machine. We've developed this profile over the last 10 years, trying to make it as simple as possible.
Everything is already done in the factory, so it comes pre-assembled, all the cleats are already on it, every hole is already drilled, you don't cut anything, you don't drill anything, there's no swarf, there's no grinding dust on the site. Everything that we've done is to minimise time on site.
When we put this up, we had our own guys helping a team that's never worked with this product before. It just clicked, they could put everything together easily, and it's safe to put up because everything clicks together solidly and everything aligns.
We were looking for a company that would customise our shed in order to integrate a cool store. X-CALIBR was willing to customise it to our needs, which was going to save us quite a lot in assembly costs. Amazed at how fast it went up actually.
The beauty's in the simplicity. It's easy to make something complicated, it's complicated to make something simple, and that's the key to putting things up quickly, less time on site, less waste. You could build this whole building behind me without a tape measure.